I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile phone through the actual system. So once you've got your Bluetooth paired, if you go to your music, used to be called iTunes, it's now called music, we'll switch that on. I'll turn it down so it's turned down. If you look at the bottom there, it says Uconnect. If I click on that, you'll see there's a tick next to Uconnect. That's this system in here. If there's no tick there and it's next to your iPhone, just click it and then back to the record. It's playing away there, so long as this is set right, any audio that's playing on your phone will come through the speakers in this system, whether it be YouTube, the audio off a YouTube video, iTunes, Amazon Prime Music, Spotify. This is iTunes or music as they call it now, but we now go to media. If I click media, I'll keep this turned down, but I click on media, you'll see there that's already on this record. If it's not, and there's a USB in or it's on auxiliary, it's not working at the moment because there's nothing plugged in auxiliary down here, but if it was, that would light up. So it's automatically on Bluetooth. So onto Bluetooth, we'll turn this up, and then we'll turn this up. Sorry about the music. That's how you stream audio. Thanks for watching.